no vibration from the pedal at all. So it's not deposits. You wait until I get them warm.
Oh, okay.
And everyone comes out of here as well.
I think you can
and heads over there and then comes back. But if you stay on this white line, it takes you straight down to here.
Oh yeah, no. You're talking my language, sir. Talking my language.
Oh, okay. Brakes.
Through that corner.
I had to bring the throttle in gently, but I was flat on the exit.
Nice.
And that was not. That's that one up.
Nice. Use that road.
Yeah.
Here's the traffic. Let's do some work. I say that. We'll do a couple of laps here and then. Maybe get that Boxster S.
Is it a Boxster S? I hope so.
I think it is, yeah. It's got the S exhaust.
Ah, okay. Let me go. Yes. Oh, it's still a bit wet here.
Yeah.
Is it?
I had high hopes for that Lotus. This Civic's very aggressive into the corners, but he's not using the track at all.
No. And all of us are staying with the Caterhams.
Caterhams, just bloody...
Yeah, I know.
Well, the thing is, they might not even be Caterhams. They don't look like Caterhams.
Actually, no, yeah, they got a bit of a funny edge to the back end. Oh, I need to do this. Remember, the camera needs to be able to see. Oh, I've got Nathan behind in the
cool.
R26.
Good girl.
Is that an S? Can't see on the badge on the back.
I didn't see a badge either, but... Come on, cheeky chappy. They've got some bite, mate. They've got some bite now.
Shit.
You're alright.
Don't normally change gear mid-corner.
No, it's easy. Make a little mistake when you feel rushed.
Why isn't that a case from lifting?
There's some wonderful heel and toe gear changes, Mark.
You think so?
Yeah. I've not felt you fluff one yet.
Do try.
Always, mate, always.
Right, he needs to concede.
This Civic's really bothering me, man. Good lad, good lad.
And Nathan's come through as well, good. second is almost too short for a lot of these corners.
Yep. It's quite long, but
Yeah.
too short for corners. Yeah. No, I get what you're saying. Show him how it's
I'm
done here.
going to be able to keep up with that. Can I keep up with that? Through
After
this
this
layout
corners,
until I
maybe.
can. That's a GT3, isn't it?
It is a GT3, but his lines are interesting, to say the least. Oh dear,
Really? You would do that?
that's a bit weird,
Oh
man.
my word! Yeah, that's really weird.
But a good lesson to us all on track days.
Yeah.
You can't rely on anyone else to do what you think they're going to do.
So who's driving Nathan's car? Is that Nathan?
Single occupant. It does look like Nathan.
So I'm not going to ease off. I want to see how fast how much quicker his car is.
He had you there in that game. Is that maps or is that standard?
No, it's not. It's not standard. It's got about 290.
Yeah, that's fair enough. I think you've got about a metre more on that first.
Yeah, but if you do take more of that curve, it can be a chronic thump through the front turret. It's a real kind of step there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you do take too much, I noticed it when I was watching the footage back. I noticed it when I was watching the footage back, and the noise and everything on the video was making me wince.
I've not noticed that from the driver's seat, but fair enough.
No, and I didn't in this from the driver's seat, but when I watched it, and I watched what it was doing to the video image in terms of giving it a massive knock, it was such a shock.
Really?
Yeah.
Race car, man. Race car moves.